Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany. I'm the sales coordinator here at Luxe. I'm going to show you guys our Texas showroom in Mansfield, Texas. This is an unmanned showroom, but we are out here this week for a Texas meet and greet. We have our 35 GRS out here in the front. I'm going to just walk you through and show you guys what to expect if you plan on coming out here. And what we would do is get you scheduled and give you a unique PIN to get into our building. You would enter the PIN here on this keypad. We do have a beam robot, which we can set up if you would like, that would follow you around. We could also do FaceTime if you prefer. But you are welcome to just come out here and explore at your leisure. The lights are automatic, but we do ask that you shut the lights off in the coaches when you're finished. Over here we have our toy hauler 47 FB. We have our 44 FL. And we have our 42 MD over here.
Hello everyone, Erin here at our Elkhart showroom. Just wanting to dive into the question, where can you see a Luxe luxury fifth wheel? As we are a factory direct company, you won't see our coaches on a dealership lot. Tiffany was just showing you our Mansfield showroom, and as she explained, it is usually unmanned. We currently have 3 showrooms. We have, of course, our one in Texas, and similarly, we have our Marietta, Temecula, California showroom, which is unmanned, but we do host a yearly meet and greet, which is coming up, and we will let you know when. And we have our showroom and factory here in Elkhart, Indiana. Aside from our showrooms, we host our un-RV shows, one in Tampa, Florida, which just happened in January, and another in Hershey, Pennsylvania, which will be in September. Look out for those dates. Lastly, you can check with your factory direct representative to see if there is a Luxe in the wild near you. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.